Hello, I'm Alex, and today I'll be showing you how easy it is to install a GROHE QuickFix accessory using a towel ring as an example. It sounds complicated, but it's not. A few important notes beforehand. This installation also applies to many other screw-in accessories. The packaging includes all the parts you need to install the product. Take a look at the enclosed installation manual. To attach your new towel ring to the wall, all you need is a spirit level, a pencil, a drill with a 6mm masonry drill bit, a hammer and a Phillips screwdriver. You should now plan exactly where the holder should be placed. Once you've picked a good place, clean it thoroughly first, then mark the spot. Now draw a horizontal line in order to align the towel ring in position. Loosen the small Allen screw slightly and take out the mounting plate. Then remove the foil from the adhesive strips, align the plate and stick it on. Now drill straight through the holes in the plate with a size 6 masonry drill. Press in the dowels. Lightly screw in the screw. And carefully tap it in with a hammer. Then tighten the screw. Finally, just put on the towel ring and fasten it with the small Allen screw. Done!